If you have been searching for platforms to read manga so you can catch up to all your favorite anime shows, then you are in the right place because today I'll be revealing all the latest platforms to read manga in 2026. Now, the first platform on my list is called Webtoons. With the help of Webtoons, you'll be able to access a lot of mangas, a lot of manguas, and also a lot of comics on these platforms. Now, you can see their category section from drama to fantasy to comedy to action and a lot more fully available on this platform. Now, if I go to the ranking section real quick, you can see the trending section, you can also see the popular section. So it's a very simple and easy to use platform. You click on anything and just like that you can start reading. So let me say I want to read this real quick. Once I click on it, it's going to load up and then you can see the different chapters available. If I want to click on any chapters right now, it's going to load up again, and just like that I can start reading the chapters. So as you can see, you can just start reading the manga, the manga, or any other stuff that you want to read on this platform. Now it's fully available on the Google Play Store and fully available on the App Store. Now moving on, second on my list is called Manga Plus. With the help of Manga Plus, you can, have access to a lot of mangas legally for free on this platform, just as you can see on your screen right now. So there's so much fun to be had on this platform that is called Manga Plus. If I go to the ranking section, you can see a whole lot of hottest manga fully available on this platform. You can also see some trendy mangas fully available on the platform. Now it's simple to use. You click on anything, it's going to load up a little bit, and just like that you are going to see some chapters. You click on the chapters and you can start reading the mangas. So it's a very simple and easy to use platform. So you can see I can just start reading this manga right now. So it's very simple and easy to use. Although to have 100% access to each and everything on this platform, you will have to upgrade to premium. They have apps available for Android, iOS, and a lot more. Now, the third on my list is called Viz Manga. Viz. So with this platform, you can also have access to a lot of content, especially mangas on this platform. You can already see a lot of popular, anime titles that you can actually read on this platform. Now they have app available. If I go to the Google Play Store, you can see Viz Manga is currently having over 1 million downloads on the Google Play Store. So it's something that you have to give a try. Now the only downside to this platform is that it's only available to people in UK, US, Canada, Australia, and countries similar to that. So if you are not in those countries, you might not be having access to this platform. So it's just that simple. Now the last on my list is called Global Comics. Now with the help of Global Comics, you are not just getting manga, you're also getting a lot of comics on this platform. They have over 100,000 comics and manga fully available on this platform. So you can see a whole lot of stuff right now on your screen. Like, it's just so much for you to enjoy on the platform. They have the comic section and they also have the manga section. So if I'm to go to the manga section real quick, it's going to load up. And just like that, you can start seeing a whole lot of mangas that are available on the platform. It's very easy to use. You click on anything, you can just start reading. So it's just that simple. Now, in order to get 100% access, you have to upgrade to premium. That's if you want access to each and everything on the platform. You simply have to upgrade to premium. But if you are okay with, having a limited access to things on the platform, then you can go ahead and you can just start, reading on the platform, except you want to upgrade to premium. Now in this video, I've given you guys about, I think, 4 to 5 different platforms. So give each and every one a try and let me know which one you prefer in the comment section. Lastly, if you found any value from this video, then do consider smashing that subscribe button to help me on my YouTube growth journey, because I've been trying to get to 5,000 subscribers for a while now. It have actually been taking me forever just to get there. But I know that with your help, through you smashing that button, I can actually get there super fast and super easy. Also, by now, I think you might be seeing some of my similar videos or some of my playlists on your screen. So if you have some free time, you can also go ahead and watch that to learn more from my channel, because we learn every day. And that's it for that. I'm going to see you guys on my next video.